Tighten out these bars here. They're slightly cocked to the left where it hit the ground. Bars aren't bent, but the risers are tweaked a little bit. So all we're going to do is loosen the risers up, loosen these pinch bolts up on the bars and give it a little tweak and then tighten it back down. If it doesn't look like the washers are bent, you'll need to check these washers up under the risers. Sometimes it'll bend the washers, and if the washers are bent, you need to put new ones in there.
This is straight. Tires kind of.
So I think we got them there. Just
now it looks even.
Loosen everything up and let it center itself. Don't need washers. Just loosen it up. You're gonna loosen the bars up slightly. They don't have to be super loose, just enough so that if you move the risers, it'll let them straight. Loosen up the riser bolts there just a little bit, give it a tweak where you got it centered, and then tighten everything back down and check it. And then torque everything back down. That's good to go. You want to take it for a spin?
I mean, around the yard or something.